So here's a Nintendo 64 that I just mostly brought back to life, or did bring back to life. There was two main problems, one of which I understand pretty well, the other one I don't necessarily. One is, well, it cleaned everything up just like everybody does, isopropyl alcohol and all that. And then the thing that solved the first problem, which is that there was only 2 games that would play. And I took this out, this just pops right out. And then I cleaned this all up, cleaned that all up, and I reflowed the solder on all the contacts here on both sides, so the board comes out. That made it so that instead of only being able to boot up 007 and Cruisin' USA, it could boot up any of the games that I have, which is great. The next problem is that games would just restart every so often, and it seemed at random, within 3 or 4 minutes. So I got a non-expansion pack, because I don't know where the expansion, the original jumper went, and I put that in, and I'd already gone through all this with deoxit and put that in all the different contacts and everything and scrubbed them. I got one of the little carb cleaner kits here and, you know, scrubbed in and everything and did my best there. But once I got this, then it seemed like I could get through at least a whole level in GoldenEye. I could get through a whole race in Diddy Kong Racing. So that seems like that solved the problem. Then, okay, let's check, make sure. I go back and I put in our trusty rusty this pack. And all of a sudden that's working. And so my only thought there is that perhaps this was gunked up and it was just, you know, this had sat for a week while I was waiting to get this to be able to test it and have some time with my daughter to put it together, because my daughter and my son have been doing a little bit with me. And so now it seems like it's working, so I'm going to put it all back together.
Hey, Dad, what do we do?
I'm just making a little video for anybody else who might be trying to fix their Nintendo 64. So my best guess is that maybe letting the deoxit sit on there for a week, and then that just like 2 or 3 more times of plugging and unplugging made it so that you know, and there's deoxit on this too. Maybe, I don't know, maybe it's just a little bit of debris, or maybe it's just a random problem that the last couple times I tested it, it worked for 10 minutes without restarting. Who knows? So I'll update if I have anything different, maybe. But that's the end of this project for now. I hope that helps somebody else, and I'll link to a few of the videos that I watched on how to do the cleaning and whatnot. I think you can find those pretty easily, but just wanted to add my experience to the mix, and I'm happy to have my Nintendo 64 back.